I will talk to our people. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, I will begin this live show by talking to us. Like I said, we are in a very strong and trial moment in the world right now. We are facing the coronavirus pandemic that is wiping the whole universe. It is taking away lives. It is taking away families. It has decided to make the whole world to be confined in a manner in which no one in this generation, in this our generation, has ever witnessed such a moment. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, like I always say, I always like to express myself in pidgin language, not because I don't know how to speak English, not because I am not educated, but because I believe those who we term illiterates, or those who did not have the privilege of going to school, those who did not have the privilege to be where there were schools, could be able to understand me. They will be able to understand what I am transmitting to our people. Without that, my people, I will go for pidgin language, because now the language where what people them they understand them, now the language where what papa them, what mommy them for ground zero, they understand this language very well. As una di join, make una share, make una like, make una love the video for today. We are in a very trial period for we life, where we never ever witness this type of situation. This coronavirus where it don't come for society today, where it don't make people them they enter into confinement. They lock themselves inside house. They make sure say they wash their hands more than 100 times a day, where they don't ever they do them. It don't make people for say make the Greek people. We know say we for Africa, we love for shake hands, we love for salute our brothers and sisters, we love for say make we dey in communion. It don't make we will not visit our neighbors. It don't make we will not visit people as we will always visit. It don't make we will not share food. We not share one plate together. We love for Africa what they ever talk say when we chop together, with the share that love together. But the coronavirus, it don't make we not share that food again for inside one pan. But they talk say life it be paramount. Life it be paramount to everything. So my fellow brothers and sisters, if not that chop what we get for share for inside one pan go make we for be alive, then may we abstain from sharing that chop. If not that greeting where we like for shake hands together go make we stay alive, then may we abstain from shaking that hands. If not this salute, well the salute it go make we stay alive, then make we no salute again for say make we stay alive. Fellow brethren, fellow brothers and sisters, I always come because I love a moment of truth. Like when I see for the caption for this live video for today, the caption is clearly show we what way I put for the topics for today. Say we the people for Ambazonia will get one thing we will get for no. We don't see revelations. We don't see revelations where it don't come out from we brothers. From every tato. We don't see revelations where it don't come out from we brother. Siko Jutson, the chairman of a SCAF. SCAF na the Southern Cameroonian Ambazonian Activist Forum, where the chairman it come out very strongly the other day with Eric Tato and Comrade from Temniba, he joined him up there, and Comrade John Ba Akuru, all them together, they joined them up for these wonderful revelations where it don't come out for this with people. We get to ask ourselves why these revelations it come out at this moment. Why the revelations it come out at this moment. Did they ever talk say, Pekin, it is strong hate. It is strong hate. It go do all type of things But papa and mommy, they go try for caution that pikin inside house. They go try for beat that pikin, pamper is any under bed. Only for say make they no sell that pikin to the public. For quarter make quarter no say that pikin they so na bad pikin. But some situation the be, sometime the be where papa and mommy they talk say that pikin it don't pass we. It good to make we tell our neighbor them. Make we tell the community, maybe they feel help we for caution that pikin. Maybe they feel help we for say make them bring that pikin to order. Now why that way? Sometimes they be pa mommy, they take that pikin, they tell neighbor say, neighbor, we don't see say this pikin, it don't pass we. This pikin, it don't the strong head, it don't take small thing for us. It don't take what small €5 euro, 10 euro for us. So we tell una neighbor, say me una help we for caution this pikin. Now why that way Eritato, John Baakuru, Sticker Judson, they come out with these revelations them for this time. For tell we Ambazonians they say they be don't try for caution these people when they come out they bring these revelations against them. Say they don't try for caution them behind the scenes, but it be they not grieve for here. They come out because of at times anger. It push people for come out for talk certain things for say make people adjust. They use irritator. He use anger. He talk with a lot of pain. He talks with it. He cry. He cry not because it be too weak. It cry now because he feel the pains for you, my brothers, for you, my sisters, for you, my papa, for you, my mommy. Where una dey go work that money. Some of una dey do 5 jobs. Some of una dey do 3 jobs. Some of una dey do 2 jobs. Some of una dey even work. Some of una dey beg for say make they give una money, but una go take that money, una go contribute them for the revolution. Some people they go take that money, they go decide for partition their money among themselves. They go decide for share that money to themselves. They go decide for say make them squander the money instead for do what they supposed to do with them. Now why that way we'll be see with brother Eritato for that wonderful live show where it be make them, it be shed tears. It be shed tears. It no be shed now a tears of weakness. Many people they be look am like a tears of weakness. Our enemies they be taken like a tears of weakness. But we Ambazonians them we give kudos. We get for clap for Eritato. We get for encourage you. We get for tell you say papa, would you feel your pains? Truth. Now one thing where it take a lot of time. Truth. Now one thing where it take a lot of time for come out. But when you speak the truth, the majority people them they never ever love for hear that truth. They never ever like for hear that truth. So Eritato be shed tears when somebody be called for the live show. It talks say Sikot Judson. It don't reveal the truth to the people. So Eritato, if you that pain, say it don't talk for so long, nobody know the support you. So as if you feel that pains, it be shed that tears. It shed that tears of truth. It shed that tears. Say if you don't do a very hard work, if you don't do a great work, but what people they know be the siam. So my brothers and sisters, fellow Ambazonians, make we the people of Ambazonia, make we rise up for talk for our people. Say enough of sabotaging. These people we don't hear how Sikot Judson it talk. These people they form conspiracy, they fight for say make the sabotage President Sisiko, make La Republique, make they kill him, make they put him for solitary confinement, make they put him for place where he no go get way for talk for we again. Me no go get way for even give advice for the revolution. He no go get way for say make he stand for put order for the revolution. If the revolution they go astray, we know say President Sisiko, he love this revolution so much. He love we people so much. When I be same time where he be chairman, he said self he be shed tears for radio station the same way where Eritato is shed tears. President Sisiko he be shed tears. Time where they be kill our people. President Sisiko be shed tears. He no be shed na tears of weakness. He be shed na tears of love. Na tears of love for our people. Na tears because he feel the pains for you and me. He feel the pains for our people where they die for ground zero. He feel the pains for our picking the way they be the kill them for ground zero. My brothers and sisters, we get the right. we get the right for stand up for support those we would see say they feel our pains. We get the right for support those where they talk say enough of manipulation. We get the right for stand up for support those where they talk say enough for conspiracy, enough for lies tellings, enough for stealing from the revolution. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, make we rise up and educate our people. Make we rise up and tell our people say this revolution no be a fight for power. This revolution it not be about Sisiku for be president. This revolution it not be about Sako for be president. This revolution it not be about Ayabacho for be leader. This revolution it not be about Akwanga for be leader. This revolution it not be about Bo Herbert for be a leader. This revolution it be about the people of Ambazonia. This revolution it be about the gullible. This revolution it be about oppressed people of Ambazonia. This revolution is been about independence of the people of Ambazonia. This revolution, the people need to stand up, rise up as one man. We need to rise up, build that solid unity. We get now one enemy. That enemy na la Republique du Cameroon. That enemy it not be Samuel Ekome Sako. That enemy it not be Sisiku Tabe Ayok. That enemy it not be Bo Herbert. That enemy it not be Ebenezer Akwanga. That enemy it no be Ayabacho Lucas. That enemy na la Republique du Cameroon. Fellow Ambazonian youths are the preach for una like a youth of Ambazonia. Like somebody where he feel the pains for the generation where he be wiped away from Ambazonia. The generation where they die for Ambazonia na this young generation. The generation where they die for Ambazonia na my age group. The generation where they die for Ambazonia na your age group. The generation where they die for Ambazonia. Tomorrow we no go get the youthful generation. We no go get that productive generation. We no go get that manpower generation. We no go get that generation where it go stand for say make it fight, make it build that nation who don't fight for get them. If we the people for Ambazonia we no rise up for say enough for manipulation, enough for conspiracy, enough for insults, we go stand for say we go fight as one man soldier. We go fight as a soldier of the revolution. We go stand for talk say Ayabacho, stand up and talk with your brother Sisiku Tabe Ayok. Ayabacho, stand up and talk with your brother Ebenezer Akwanga. Ayabacho, stand up and talk with everybody. We need a united front. We need collaboration. We want each and every Ambazonian for talk say enough for manipulation. Enough. If we fight this revolution, as one man, my people, ask yourself, say tomorrow, if this revolution fail, but I go talk say no go fail, our forefathers, the Fonchas, the Endeles, the Dwas, they stand for we head. It no go fail. Our forefathers and they for we. They stand by we. And the day ahead of us, they don't bless we. They don't throw their blessing for we head. Say make we carry this revolution ahead. But ask yourself, say if this revolution, it happen, say it happen for fail tomorrow. Wait till you are picking them, go talk for you. Which answer you go answer for your picking their question? Wait till you go tell you picking them, say you be do during the period of the revolution of the independence of Southern Cameroons. You go be that person where you're picking them go to insult you for house, so you will be a weak papa. Or you go be that person where you go stand up for talk say, no, I be fight for my people. I be stand up, I be talk for my people. I be stand up, I be talk, say my people must get independence. Will you be that person where if you die tomorrow, like Julius Malema, he be talk for one of his speeches, yeah, picking them, we picking them, they go come peace on top of our grave, or we be another people them, where we go die, we picking them, go can't give patriotic salute on top of our grave, say we did a great job for Ambazonia. Will you be that person, that human being, where when you die tomorrow, they go shit and piss on top of your grave? Or you go be that person where when you go die tomorrow, your picking them go can stand up and give a patriotic salute, say this was a warrior, this was a soldier of the revolution that fought for our independence. These are the people that took us to the land we now call Ambazonia. These are the people that fought for our independence. Or will you be that person that they will pee and excrete on your grave? Ambazonians, ask yourself these questions. Ask yourself these questions and rise up. Rise up and fight for your freedom. Rise up and say no to surrogacy. Rise up and say no to conspiracies. Rise up and say no to lies tellings. We need to build an Ambazonia. That Ambazonia will fight for. Now that Ambazonia where everybody go get a say for that nation. Each and every citizen for that nation, he could stand up for talk say, I fought for my independence. Each and every person go stand up for hold every leader accountable. Each and every person go be able to stand up for tell a leader say you are manipulating our people. Each and every person go stand up, whether you be minister for that nation, whether you be mayor for that nation, whether you be whosoever, a bricklayer, a carpenter, any man, even person where you know see the four walls of a classroom, he go get a say for that nation. Who are you, Ambazonia? Where will you stand tomorrow? Ask yourself, whose side you go belong? You go belong for the people where they go shit on top their grave, piss on top their grave, and throw a case? Or you go stand for the side where people go can't give you patriotic salute and give you glories? Let us stand up and fight for our freedom. Let us stand up and say no to surrogacy. Fellow Ambazonians, I talk for you now with a lot of pains in my heart, because I see, say we the Ambazonian people, we are the most educated nation in the world, in Africa. We get more intellectuals. We get the highest rate of educated people for Africa today. But it baffles me. Say we stand, we see truth for we face. We stand, we see truth for we eyes. But we decide for play politics. We are in a revolution. You should either be a revolutionarist or you be a politician. But it is not time for politics. It is not time for politics. It is time to fight for your freedom. It is time to pick up arms and fight for your freedom. We will do for diaspora. Wait to be our own arms. Our own arms, not before conspire against each other. Our own arms, not before collect people their money, then we chop them. Our own arms, not before fool people may they contribute, then we take our chop. Our own arms, now arms we will get for contribute to the right source. Our own arms, now for hold any leader accountable if he mess up with our revolution. Our own arms, now for say make we stand and face the truth. When it is time to face the truth, we will there for diaspora. Our own arms, now for educate our fighters when they're there for ground zero. Our own arms, now for tell our fighters the way they get to fight this revolution. Our own arms, now for contribute our money for the revolution. How many of us did still contribute for this revolution? Rise up, my people. Rise up, fellow Ambazonians. Stand for the right path. I know why. When me, Don Pasho, I never ever get viewers. I know why. I had to talk for the few. Because I know they can't stand for attack. I know they can't stand for conspire. I know they can't stand for insult. I can't stand for give that political education where each and every Ambazonian need. Which way Ambazonians they lack na political education. Look at Julius Malema of South Africa. That is a revolutionary. Person where he stand, he call a spade a spade. That is a revolutionary. A revolutionary is the person where they fight for their freedom. A revolutionary is the person where it is stand for call you where you thief a thief. A revolutionary is the person where they feel the pains for your people. A revolutionary is the person where go stand today. He go tell you say we must do it and we get that thing. I stand for tell Una Ambazonians we have to unite and stand as one man in this revolution. We must do it. We must hold our leaders accountable. These leaders them, if not all, they don't fail we And we, the people of Ambazonia, now the people, they get the revolution. The revolution is for the people, one. Number two, it is for the people. Number three, it is for the people. If you count up to 1,000, it is for the people. The revolution is for the people. The revolution is not for any leader. The revolution is not to fight that anybody should be a leader. The revolution is for you and me, Don Pasho. The revolution is for our gullible people in ground zero. The revolution is for our people who are in ground zero. Who are we fighting for? Ask yourself this question. Are you fighting to cover Ayabacho as your leader? Are you fighting to cover Sisiku Tabe Ayok as your leader? Are you fighting to cover Sako as your leader? No, that is not the reason why we started this revolution. We did not start this revolution for any leader. When the revolution started, we rose up as one man. We stood up and we said enough is enough. We stood up and we said we want our freedom. We stood up and we decided to fight as one man. Why all this today? Una forget so easily. When Mancho BBC, it be carry his coffin, it be go for Liberty Square for Bamenda. It no be think whether na Fontaine Niba, whether na Agbobala, whether na whosoever be leader, it be go for Liberty Square. He say let the first bullet it take he. It no be go stand for there because he be one be a leader. It no be go stand for there because he want challenge on leader. Mancho BBC be go stand for there because he be feel the pains where people they go through. The same pains when me at the field before they talk for una now. Now the same pains when Mancho BBC be feel. So my people, let us rise up. Let us rise up. Let us rise up. Let us rise up. Rise up and fight for your future. Rise up and take your own destiny into your hands. Rise up. Why? Why the revolution don't turn a revolution for say, if not be Ayaba, it baffle me, I even see a write-up where somebody go write, say if Sisi could, if Sako leave the revolution, if Sako leave the revolution today, the revolution will fail. Let me inform that person. Before Sako came, Agbobala started the revolution. Before Sako came, Tasang took over the revolution. Before Sako came, Mark Barata and Tapang Ivor took over the revolution. Before Sako came, Sisiku took over the revolution. The revolution will never fail. This revolution it no go ever fail. Now me and you will get the revolution. Nobody it no go stop this revolution. We never reach the promised land. And the promised land now Boya. Boya is that promised land where all we will go for aim towards that promised land. We go for aim towards that promised land. We go for put this all these leaders them together. We go for ask them, we the people. We go for ask them, what are they fighting for? We go for ask them, what is their objective? What is their agenda? Are they fighting to become leaders of Ambazonia, or they are fighting to free Ambazonia? Are they fighting for their famous, or they fight for say they want to be fame? They want to get fame for Ambazonia, or they fight for free Ambazonia? And if they fight for free Ambazonia, we go contribute only when they go bring a united account for say make all man he contribute in money inside. We no go contribute for any fraction. We no go contribute money again for any fraction. We need a united account, and they need to share money. We need to share money for the revolution. We not for this revolution for the contribute money for groups by groups. When last they be stand up for form the consortium, they not be bring with groups. They be stand up as one man. They stand up as a people. They be stand up because they fight for something. Why we don't take the revolution? We turn them into a political jamboree, a political fanfare, where we don't form political parties everywhere. We get AGC, we get IG for Sisiku, we get Sako, we get Akwanga for APLM, we get Bo Ebek for Woodside, we get all type of groups, manipulations everywhere. Political party for country when they exist, What are we fighting for? This revolution is for the people. It is for the people. It is not for groups. This revolution, and me and you will get this revolution. Some of the leaders them will go piss and shit for their graves. We go write history, keep on for picking them. May they read them about them. Who are we fighting for? Who are we fighting for? Political education will be very difficult. It will be very difficult because people, Ambazonians, they no one listen. They like activists the way they go to hear insults, they go to hear lies, they go to hear conspiracy, they go to clap, oh, good activist. That is not an activist. That is not an activist. An activist is someone who can stand up and fight for his people. An activist is someone where he go see thief, like the one where Sako thief for Wuhan. He go talk. An activist, now someone will go come out for give political education for the people. An activist not be the one who can conspire. He go can lie. He go can talk all sorts of manipulations. That is not an activist. That is not an activist. When I go love them, when I go clap for them, they are not activists. They will never be activists. My fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, I don't give una why Eritato Siko Jutsin they become out with these revelations. I go now. How we fit take advantage for these revelations the way it come out from these two comrades. My people, make we listen and listen very well. When we there for a revolution, we there for a revolution because we fight for some people. They don't bring we revelations for thief. Where people don't thief our money. For thief. Where people they don't thief all money for revolution. They don't tell we how people conspire. May they kill somebody waiting for jail. What will we do? We'll get two things for do. We'll get two things Ambazonians for do. One, we the Ambazonian people, we need to start push. We need to start push. For say make these leaders them. I call their names. Ayabacho. I call the names again. Ayabacho. I call Yerima. I call how did you John Ba Akuru. I call Atam Milan. Make this leader them. Make them go shit on down. Make this leader them go shit on down. They analyze. They sit down. They put we for one banking system, one channel of contribution. May they bring we one channel of contribution. May all we activists, we will call ourselves activists. We go mobilize funds. We go push our people. May they contribute. Make these people, they go for all the defense groups. They touch all the defense group them. Each defense group, it bring in one person each. May they form a department of logistics. They not go take that money, they share them. Say AGC take your own. Yerima take your own. AMF take your own. ASC take your own. They not go share money. We not there for the revolution, go share money. Them go bring we one account where the logistic department go take care of all logistics. Now them go to distribute materials. Now them go to buy materials, give for our fighters. Our fighters go to cry now for the Department of Logistics. Our fighters go to give all their things them, all their demands for logistic department. And the logistic department go take care for all materials. If we keep on, say we won, say make AGC do it own, say take over funds. Make IG for Sisiku, it do it own, say bonds. Me John Ba Akuru did do it own. Me Scope did do it own. We are doomed for failure. We are doomed for failure. We are doomed for failure. They will wait some talk there where they talk say unity of the willing. Unity of the willing. We don't call unity for so long. But we know inside the unity it fail. We know people where they don't fail for unity. The people where they don't come for unity meeting. Seconds after the meeting, they put poster for ambush for outside. They put poster for ambush for outside. They ambush. They say they ambush them. Because they know one unity. They know one make them move chop. When they chop, they don't take revolution. It turn now a chopping revolution. A revolution where they need for the chop. My fellow Ambazonians, my fellow countrymen, look at our people suffering. When they see this video where they cry every day for Nigeria, where refugees they cry every day, how are you? When they look this video then, where they burn our people houses, where they cry every day, say they no sleep for night, say military they attack them, how will they feel? How long do you think we can keep on fighting ourselves? How long? We not go keep on like this. We must push this group that way they don't work together. May they bring we a unity account. May they bring we one channel of contribution. May we contribute for those accounts. May we push our people. May they form a defense department of logistics. AMF, British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces, ASC, ADF. We want to build up a strong defense. We want to build up a strong army for Ambazonia. We want to stand, may we fight for Ambazonia. We want to stand, may we build a solid military where La Republic go bleed. Because we get now one enemy. And that enemy, na La Republic du Cameroon. Why are we fighting among ourselves? Why do we keep on fighting ourselves? We get the solution for we hand. We get the solution for freedom for we hand. A united front with the willing, Ayabacho, Yerima, Akwanga, John Ba Akuru. Una stand, may we fight for we freedom. Una stand, may we free we nation. Una need to feel the pains for we papa and mommy they ready to die for ground zero. Una need to feel the pains for this boy they ready to come out they not get materials. Una need to feel the pains for this pikin they ready to cry every day. Where to be with problem? Where to be with problem? John Ba Akuru, you be a man of dignity. Ayabacho, you be a lion. You be the lion. Vice President Yerima, you be a humble man. You be a humble man. Atam Milan, you be an intellectual. Make una force so form with a formidable team. A formidable team. Bring we account. May we contribute. May we contribute. May we campaign. The way we will be campaign for my trip to Yaoundé, say my trip to Boya. We will campaign. May our people contribute. We will push. May our people contribute. But if we keep on for say IG for Yerima, it will bring we bonds. Ayabacho, it will bring we take over funds. We are doomed for failure. We are doomed to fail. We are doomed to fail. We want to build we a solid defense. AMF. We want to get strong defense. British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces. We want to get strong army. AGF. We don't educate we fighters. ASC, una get intellectuals them, where they educate fighters. Una build with a strong, united army. May we bring down La République. May we bring down La République. Now La République be our enemy. May we educate our fighters. And go to the next. May we educate our fighters. And I go talk for you. I know say AGC people today, they go insult me. But I go talk them. The way I get for talk them. Make our people. They go see. Una no must be right always. If people, a community, they rise up against una no be right always. Something day, some time, when they talk say you they talk, I am sorry. I am sorry. Not because you were right. I am sorry. Because you want to bring peace. I am sorry. It cold people their hearts. It like ice water where you drink for inside desert. I am sorry. It like water where you there for desert you suffer. Some man cold water you drink. So tell the day you apologize for your brothers. You come out, you educate your fighters. Which way happen for Kurgwe? Una not supposed to only defend those boys. When una defend them, una radicalize them. Una give to come out to the public, tell the public, educate the fighters, tell them, say enough, may they stop attacking our people. May they go to the population, may they kneel down in front of the population and beg for forgiveness. May they go for that people for Kurgwe, go kneel down for them. Go kneel down for them. Beg for forgiveness. That part Ivor, you know, go come out only for insult. You know, go come out only for insult. You know, go come out only for defend. At times, no man no perfect. No man no perfect. Capo Daniel, you guys are not perfect. No man, no human being no perfect. Errors have been made. Those boys and they for ground there. We not there with them. The information where they give we, it can be right, same as it can be wrong. It can be right, same as it can be wrong. Una get for come out sometime. Una accept the wrongs of una soldiers. Una accept the wrongs of una soldiers. It make people for love una. It make people for know say una fight for them. But when una come out, una they attack those when they lay complaints against una soldiers. You guys are sending away the people. You guys are driving them away. You guys are driving the population out. We need to stand up at times and talk to our soldiers in public. Sometimes the day when soldiers then they do wrong, when they talk to them in public. And Capo Daniel, Tapa Ivor, when be defense chief of staff them. No be all time. No be all time. Where una get for common talk. No be all time. Una get for day for Facebook. May Ego see build a communication department. The defense chief them. Tapang Ivor. Capo Daniel. Una get for stay off social media for some time. Do the work and let your work speak. Do the work and let your work speak. When una dey on social media every day, it belittle una position where una get. Una get a greater task ahead of una. Una get a strong task where they are ahead of una. Una be defense chief them. Una dey fight for a nation. Una get for educate fighters. Una get for talk sometime. Say una be sorry. Why we no fit take advantage for some kind things, then some time we apologize for public. We know must be right. We know must be right. And not become for tapang I for Facebook. For can apologize. Say I don't insult, I don't fight with late General Mba Ivor because say I be on the fault. I apologize because I know what you will mean by just saying I'm sorry. My hands so it is clean. The tino dede. I know instigate in fighting. The same way what the whole Sako accountable for the Bui 23, where we must build a solid team, where Sako must give accountability for the Bui 23. They must confess for the Bui 23. Now the same way, when me I be whole A Gov C and Ayabacho accountable when they be killed the fighters for Guzang. Now the same way, we be hold them accountable when they be kill the fighters for Guzang. I not be weak for come out for talk. I be sorry. I was not weak, but I know I grow up. I grow up for that community where the word I'm sorry, it heals so many wounds. It heals so many wounds. We need to rise up at times and apologize for our people. Apologize. Tell them. So we fight now for them. May they not vex. Those soldiers, them when they fight for ground day, they don't go no military school. They don't go no military school. They pick up arms for defending them. They defend them, mommy them, defend papa, defend picking them. But they do some mistake them. Mommy, papa, when I get for understand, say they don't go military. They don't do military training. We'll be sorry for their action them. We'll be sorry. We'll be sorry for what they do. But no say they fight now for free una. They didn't fight now because of them. Now why that way they fear? They be rebellion. Rebel in the height. Rebel in the height. So they fear. Even the fake information, when they get fake information about somebody, they go must try for arrest that person for do investigation. So they need to fight. They need to fight as a trained army. Even La Republic, when they're a trained army, now they don't cause a lot of atrocities, Papa and Mommy, brothers and sisters. Now they don't burn our houses. Now they don't burn our villages. Now they don't kill while picking the baby matter where they sleep. Now they don't burn mommy happy for his house. Why would I not forgive what soldiers there for Kugwe? Kugwe people for Momo, people for Batibo, don't pass on the back on age behalf. Una sorry we picking them when they fight for defend una. Una sorry with brothers and sisters when they fight for defend una. If they be make mistake, una correct them. Una talk with them. Una tell them say, may they not do them again. Una work with them. Now una picking them. Now picking them for Kugwe. Now picking them for Batibo. Now picking them for Momo. Una they drive them, tell me where them, make them go outside. Where una they drive them, make them go. They don't get where to go to. They don't get no place for go. They fight now for secure una, for protect una. With the beg me una not drive them. With the beg me una take them with love. Me una treat them. Me una give them chop. Make una give them water for drink. My fellow Ambazonians, I go talk for our soldiers them. Fellow Ground Zero warriors, our great warriors of the revolution, great restoration forces, great defense forces, great Amber boys, great warriors. I beg una, my brothers and sisters, as we fight this battle, may we not know say we get one enemy. We get one enemy. That enemy in la Republic du Cameroon. May we not protect our brothers. Look your brother. Where it there for ADF. Say it fight. Now that same fight where you the fight. Look your brother. Where there for AMF. Say it fight. Now that same fight where you the fight. Look your brother. Where there for AAC. Say the fight. Now that same fight where you the fight. If anybody call you for diaspora, say make you kill another man. Tell you say you get the gun there for Ground Zero. Make it come for Ground Zero. Can't take the gun, go kill him. Wash your hand clean. No kill fellow Ambazonian fighter. No kill fellow Ambazonian Restoration Force. No kill fellow ADF. No kill fellow AMF. We know the fight now among ourselves. We fight now for free Ground Zero. We fight now la Republic. We know plenty who the fight. Ambazonia get 10 million people. We no reach 1 million who the fight. So the few of una who they like 800. May we protect ourselves. Be your brother's keeper. Be your sister's keeper. Make Bui he be able to give back up for Boyo. Make Bui he be able to give back up for Ngokutunja. Make Fako he be able to give back up for Meme. Now the kind fighter we want them. Make ADF he be able to give back up for AMF. Make MF he be able to give back up for British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces. Make una fight as one. Make una fight as block. Then they talk say when you build chain where they hang up for one neck. It there when I hook by hook. When you join them, for say man cut them, it is difficult. Make una build that chain. Make una build that chain. Well, la Republic no will enter for una. Make una show love amongst una. Make una stand for belief in ourselves. May we stand for tell diaspora say what you want need from them, not their money, not their contribution. Not be for them for tell una who for support. Una not support any man. Una not support neither Sisi Kutabe Ayok, neither Sako, neither Ayaba, neither Akwanga. Una the fight now for Ambazonia. Ambazonia first. Put Ambazonia first. Hoist the flag of Ambazonia. Hoist the flag of Ambazonia. We fight now for that flag. We fight now for that nation. We not fight now for anybody. Not be named. Not be Ayaba. Believe in yourselves, fellow restoration forces. Believe in yourselves, AMF. Believe in yourselves, ADF. We therefore believe. So we'll be one people. We'll be one power. We'll be one nation. We know the fight not for any man. We know the fight not for any leader. Now me and you, we feel free our people. Now all we We put our heads together. We go free our people. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. All this preaching, when me are the preach, I preach this preaching of love, of unity, of collaboration. I preach this preaching for this show. I preach this preaching for this show because I want me to look deep into what way they happen for inside La Republic. Every day we get information. Say the terrorists, probably I don't die. Ambazonians, ask yourselves, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready to take advantage? Would they ready for take advantage? We know they're ready. Raul, water please. Are we ready to take advantage? We are not ready to take the advantage. Would they not only for the fight ourselves? Some person right say La Republic will live, we will go to fight ourselves. They go fight their battle finish. Come back, oh, they still fight ourselves. They can't finish Kiwi. It no lie. It talk not true. It talk not true. Because we'll not be ready. Now time this, where all we will go for the preach. So we want a joint account. We want a joint account for contribute. All that nonsense say that the reform county, they are fake. No county no go free this revolution. Now a united Ambazonian Defense Force. A united Ambazonian Defense Force go free Ambazonia. May we take this advantage. Raise funds. I don't call on 4 leaders. Ayabacho, Vice President Yerima, John Ba Akuru, Milan Atam. Una talk to una say bring with a joint account. As una di bring with a joint account. Each defense group they bring in one person for defense logistic. Por favor, cambia baso, dame.
No es que no hay más agua, solo queda este agua.
Vale. Right, very cool. Thank you. They gave a bring with defense logistic. They gave a bring with defense logistic. Where all them, AMF, ADF, ASC, British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces, each of them get people for inside the logistic department. When I for they will go to give one money, now the logistic department go to take care. Go to take care for our logistics. The logistic department go to take care for our logistics. We go to contribute our money put up for that account. Any defense group go to complain to the logistic department when they need material. Because the logistic department will be comprised of all the defense groups. Where pacha, it no go be. Favoritism, it no go be. Now the Ambazonia will need for build them the that. For some will free homeland. Take over funds alone, it no go free homeland. The bonds department, it no go free homeland. Make una unite. Bring we a joint account. That nonsense say county by county. You know go free homeland. What shall it profit Bui? If Bui be free, Ambazonia no be free. We need a strategic takeover. A strategic takeover. For this period. For this period. When La Republic, the day for knockerheads, say their terrorist leader don't die. What would we do, Ambazonians? What are we doing? Ambazonian youths, come out and speak. Speak up to these leaders. Talk to these leaders. Talk to them. Somebody don't talk for here. La Republic is just laughing at us. Of course, La Republic is laughing at us. La Republic make a mockery of us. La Republic look weird. It is smile. Say, look at a people when they claim, say they want free themselves. Unity in all day. Collaboration in all day. Country will never be built. We already embezzle half of the money. Chop them. Bill has them. Buy our houses. Buy our private cars. Is that the nation we want to build? When truth tellers them come out for speak truth. Conspirators them go stand for conspire. Conspirators them go conspire for talk all type of things against those people. I be sorry for the noise of background. I be very sorry for the noise we be there for my background. Now no say what we there for us we picking them. Picking them go must make noise. We need for must take care for them. Quarantine don't cancel me, they there for house. So my people, La Republique, it fight, it look we, it laugh. It laugh. We therefore loggerheads. We insult ourselves. Make a reply to Lyonga Martin. I know who you be. I know who you be. So I know why. If we need to fight, now for money, for put for account. Why you deny? Why you deny? Why you deny joint account? Why you deny joint account? If you know the fight, now for something else, if you fight for freedom, why you deny joint account? Why you deny make the soldiers them no unite? We no fit keep on like this. We no fit keep on for the fight ourselves. We no fit keep on for the contribute money for small bucket them. We no fit keep on for the contribute money for small bucket them. We need some big basin. We need a big basin where we need to contribute our money inside. So that may get wet. May the money get wet. If we not keep on, say may they contribute for small bucket them, we go sabotage them. We go sabotage them. Because now the money, it don't cause conspiracy. Now the money, it kill soldiers them for ground zero. Now the money, it kill our people them. They die for ground zero. We there for quarantine period. People they die back home. We there here. We fight somebody contribute money for small account them. No. It not gonna happen for Ambazonia again. We go for push Wuna. These groups, I don't call them four. Because I no one call Sako. I no one call them because they know there for unity. When Sako then come for unity, they go out, they go sabotage. When the unity don't have build. So we know the count on them. And we will never count on them. We need to count on them. We will never ever count on them. We need to build a united front. A united account. Where everybody, about who you be, whether whatsoever you contribute, it will make meaning. It will bring unity amongst we. Why are we fighting? We fight na say they contribute money give up for AGC. We fight na say they contribute money give for Yerima, for IGK. We fight na say they contribute money give for John Bakuru, for consortium. We know the fight na that fight, my people. We fight na a fight for free Ambazonia. And that Ambazonia na me and you will get them. For inside Ambazonia, even the dull, the mad people, they go get a say. Even the dull, they get a say. They go get a say for inside Ambazonia. Man go talk, we go hear. Because inside that talk, we will look at like dull talk. One sense go come out inside from that madman. We want build an Ambazonia where accountability will be the key word. Holding leaders accountable will be a key word. We go hold all leaders accountable. For inside Ambazonia, activists them go preach when president it make error. Military go stand for defend a nation. Police go stand for protect the civilians. My people, make we stand up and shun group politics. We know there for politics for this revolution. We know the politics inside war. This one a war we fight. Now a freedom battle. And that freedom battle it need you and me. It need all hands on deck. We don't need that nation. We don't need for revolution. Make people them the fight among themselves. We don't need that nation. We will there for war. People the embezzle money them buy houses. We don't need that nation where we there at war. People the embezzle money buy their private cars. We don't need that nation where people they fight for free for ground zero. They pay people where they there for diaspora. Where they need to do nothing. We don't need that nation where others the sacrifice with their hard-earned money while others they embezzle that hard-earned money for do their own things personally. We want a nation where everybody it go stand up, it go speak. We want a nation where all of us we go get a say for that nation. I did borrow a word from Julius Malema. Where you go stand tomorrow? You go stand for that position where you picking them. Go can stand for a grave, they shit, the piece on top of that grave. Or you go stand for that position where we are picking them, go can stand, they give weapon, patriotic salute. Say, Don Pasho be fight for my freedom. whose side you belong. Ask yourself. It baffles me when we Ambazonian they would see the truth, would deny for Siam. Would deny because we don't take group politics, we put them. We know the fight for Sisi Kutaba Ayok for be president. We know the fight for Ayaba for be president. If we know the fight in that battle, then we not count Don Pasho out. I am a revolutionarist. I stand as a revolutionarist. I am fighting for my people with a day for ground zero. I fight for my people where they suffer for ground zero. I fight for free that homeland, that place where I call my home of birth. I'm sorry for those people where they there for ground zero. Where they think say we were there for diaspora would live a life of milk and honey. No. No, my people. All we would be thirsty for come back home. All we would yearn for see that homeland. All we want come back for Shidong, for Konala fireside. Me with grandpapa there, with grandmammy, they tell we those sweet stories. All we the yearn for come back, come live a life where you no go pass where discrimination no day. We the yearn for come back for place where we go belong inside society. Where you no go pass for place they call you say black man. Where you no go pass for place they cover their nose say you the smell. Where you no go enter for public bus. Shidong for some place people deny for Shidong for your corner because you be black man. Una no know the pains where would feel them for this white man country where would they. Una no know the difficulties where would face them for these countries where would they. Would they contribute money? Where would we take care for our immediate families? For take free homeland? Many of us will be capable for take care for our immediate families. But will they contribute this money for Una? For to make the free that homeland because we want to come back. We need that home. We need that place we call our home. When shall I see my home? When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home, Ambazonia. When shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home. My home, my home, home, my home. When shall I see my home? Home, when shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home. I sing with a lot of pains in me. I sing with a lot of pains because I need that homeland. I need to visit that homeland. I need to chop that fufu where they turn them for fire. I need for chop that jama. I need for chop fowl where they burn them for 3 stone fireside. I need for chop that kati. Nobody artificial or the chop here. My people, why are we so wicked to ourselves? Why do we hate ourselves so much that we cannot feel the pains? Where some people go stand for talk say make we not put joint account. Yeah, Dennis go. If you call me a criminal, I accept. That criminal won't go home. That criminal need homeland. That criminal the fight for freedom. That criminal, he wants freedom. He is for freedom. If not that criminal get for free me, I go accept, I go embrace that freedom with genuine heart. Go look Bobby Wine for Uganda. He come off a ghetto. He come off a ghetto. He be now one great ghetto man, ghetto master. He be a criminal, but today be a great leader, a great revolutionarist for Uganda. Today he stand up for fight for his people. If you don't know, those who fight for freedom are those who have gone through pains in life. Martin Luther King Jr. is one. Martin Luther King Jr. is one. He went through trial periods. So my people, may we rise up. May we rise up. I come with a message for una today. We say may we rise up. Enough of insults. Enough for conspiracy theories. Enough of manipulation. What you fight for, may we rise up. Let the youth rise up. Ambazonia is rising, rising, rising. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia is rising, rising, rising. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Freedom is coming, Ambazonia. We don't rise. We don't rise. We will never fall again. I end my live show for tell una say unity, love, na the key word we will need them for this revolution. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, stay blessed. Stay safe with the coronavirus. Stay indoors. Watch out, for freedom is at hand. Long live the Federal Republic of Ambazonia, and short live our fight for freedom. Ciao, and have a blessed week.